This hidden gem should be on your bucket list. Welcome to Puerto Vallarta, a vibrant city nestled between the sapphire waves of the Pacific and lush green mountains. Known for its LGBTQ+ inclusivity, this town offers more than just dazzling beaches. Start your day with a serene sunrise at Playa Los Muertos, a must-visit iconic pier. Then, stroll through Zona Romantica, where cobblestone streets brim with art, boutique shops, and colorful murals. Indulge in authentic Mexican cuisine paired with breathtaking ocean views, and finish off your day with a sunset sail through the Bay of Banderas. Puerto Vallarta isn't just a destination, it's an embrace of culture and celebration, no matter who you are. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, paradise is waiting. Subscribe and let us uncover the next hidden gem together. Where should we explore next? Drop your dream destination below.